This is the Stradbroke cabin kit from Cabin Life. This one's got a little added on deck section here, which is quite a cool feature. And it's made out of 44mm timber, this one. So it's solid, thick 44mm timber. And the external cladding is the internal cladding. It's very solid. We've got these beautiful big doors on here. These are 3.9 meters wide. It's all double glazing and key lock, of course. Opens up. There's your lock assembly. Comes through like that. Now, it's a nice big double glazed window over this side. We can go in here and see double glazing there. Now, even though the front is all double glazed, if you're going through council, they may want you to replace that toughened glass as their full length glass doors, and that's one of the BCA rules.